Today we are going to do the story of the letter O. Before I read the story, I need you to look at the picture just for a minute and then you are going to listen to that story. Great. So now, listen. Oliver and Holly have moved to a new house. They have a new bedroom with bunk beds in it. Nearby is a light switch so they can turn the light on and off by themselves when they are in bed. That night, Holly curls up with Oscar, her toy rabbit, and Oliver reads his book. You can turn the light out when you're finished, says his dad. Oliver leans over to the light switch and turns it off. Off it goes, he says. Then he turns it back on, saying, on it goes, oh, on it goes. He turns the light on and off, saying, oh, on it goes, oh, off it goes, oh, on it goes, oh, off it goes. Then his father hears him playing with the switch. So then his father says, stop turning the light on and off, Oliver. You will break it. Turn it off and go to sleep. Oliver turns the light off and goes to sleep. Do you see Oliver? He is turning the light on and off. Can you remember the sound he makes when he's doing that? Ah, ah, ah. So now we are going to pretend we are doing exactly what Oliver is doing. So, looking at the picture here, you are going to pretend you are turning it on and turning it off. So, and remember you are saying the sound all each time. Ready? Let's go. Ah, 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 ah. Right. That's the sound of the letter O. So when you think of the letter O, remember the sound ah. Right. Ah, 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 ah. Great. Now the letter O is very simple to write. Remember we always start on the dot. So let's go. So we're gonna be making a C and we're closing it back up. That's the letter O. Let's do it again. Starting on a dot around like a C and close it in. Let's do it again. Around like a C and close it back in. That's the letter O. So now we're going to do some writing, or you're going to do some writing with your finger. So point to the screen and see if you can make all those O's by yourself. So while you are doing it, I'm going to be saying it as well. Are you ready? Go. Ah, 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 ah. Did you make some? Right, so let's move on. So now let's see what we have under the stars. What is that? It's a picture of a dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. So let's see. Right. Let's see if we can write the sounds for the word dog. D, O, G. Very good. So let's see what the next star shows. That's a pond. 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 So I'm taking my pencil and I'm going to write the letters that make the word pond. P or R. Mm, let me erase that one. That one isn't so good. So I'm going to erase that one. Right. So let's do that over. Mm, D. That's the word pond. And let's do the last picture. That is sock. Oh, it's one side. Normally we say socks. But since there's only one side, let's say sock. So let me get my pencil and we're going to write the letters that make the word sock. S, R, and the two letters that make the K sound. The C first and then the K. Did you get those letters just like me? Great. So let's move on. So now we are going to say the words that we are seeing. Right? So get ready. G, a, t, g, a, t, g, a, t, got, got, a, a, hop, hop, st, up, st, up, st, up, stop, stop, d, a, t, d, a, t, dot, 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 on, 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 k, a, st, k, a, st, cost, 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 k, a, t, k, a, t, cot, cot, m, a, m, a, mop, 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 mop. Great going. Now, so we have some words and we are going to say those words and actually we are going to go the number of steps of the dice. So I'm going to click on the dice and we are going to move that number of steps. So the first one step, hot, hot. Let's see what we get again. Another one step. The first one, two steps. One, two. Pot, pot. So we're only playing with two. And the next turn, three steps. One, two, three. Three steps. One, two, three. Four steps. One, two, three, four. We are missing out these words. Two steps. One, two. I want to see who's going to win this race. One step. And Send. So this yellow chick is reading and the brown chick is reading. So it's a brown chick's turn. Three steps. One, two, three. Can the brown chick read that word? Sp and sp and spend. Spend. Very good, brown chick. Yellow chick's turn. Two steps. All right, so the yellow chick, what is that word again? Spend. Two steps. One, two. On. On for the brown chick. Yellow chick, four steps. One, two, three, four. Now let's see if we know this word. Hop, 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 hop. Very good, yellow chick. So it's the brown chick's turn. Five steps. One, two, three, four, five. No word for the brown chick. Yellow chick. Four steps. One, two, three, four. G, up, g, up, gap, gap, gap. Very good, yellow chick. And five steps for the brown. One, two, three, four, five. Let's see if the brown chick can read that word. Hand. Sorry, I know it, so let's go in. And hand, hand. Yellow chick's turn. Just one step, no words for the yellow chick. Brown chick's turn. Three. One, two, three. Yellow chick's turn. Three steps. One, two, three. What's that word again? And hand. Now the brown chick needs one to win. Okay, so the brown chick has to wait. Let's try the yellow chick. The yellow chick, whoa, the yellow chick needs six steps. Let's see if there's six steps. One, two, three, four. That's too many. So brown chick's turn. One. Yay! The brown chick won. Hope you enjoyed that. Right. So now you are going to go over all the songs by yourself. I am just going to wait for you to finish. Ready? Go. Great going. So remember the sound for today is the letter O. Bye.